Welcome to the YouTube Advantage. Let's go through the tool that is in front of you. On the left-hand side in the navigation bar, we've got the video search, we've got video keyword tool, channel search, keyword research, and targeting groups. And then down here we have the YouTube Advantage training, the advanced training for Google AdWords and Facebook ads. We have bonuses, partner bonuses, and we also have reseller options for those that choose to take on the reseller options. So let's go through each of these specific areas on the left-hand side. So let's go through keyword research. Let's type in a new keyword. So let's say that I am interested in iPhone. So I type in iPhone here, and then I click on search. And I'm going to search for YouTube example. So it's going to give me suggestions for the keyword iPhone. And so what it'll do, it'll search all the different keywords that relate to iPhone. So you see we've got iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, so all these different systems here. So let's say the iPhone 6s. If I click on search videos or search channels, it will bring up the channels that relate to iPhone 6s, or it will bring up the videos that relate to iPhone 6s. And what you'll see up here is it's got video search. So if I click on this and search videos, it's going to pull down all the videos found, monetized videos, and it's processing all of them. So it's checking to see which ones actually have YouTube advertising on them and which ones don't. And what you'll see here is the number of views, the number of likes, the number of dislikes, the number of comments, and when it was published, and all of those details all down here. So as you can see, these dollar signs start to pop up over the videos, and that means that these videos are monetized. So in other words, they have YouTube advertising on them, and you could set up ads for your iPhone, like CPA offer or iPhone capture page or something like that, that you could start to build a business out of. And so you'll see all these ones down here that are monetized. And what I can do is I can export these video links. So what it's doing is it's now pulling all of those video links that are in here. Now I can either download the monetized videos, or I can download all videos. So if I'm doing SEO research, I might want to pull down all the videos, or if I want to repost these to social media or something like that, then I can download all videos. Or if I'm just particularly interested in YouTube advertising, I click on download the monetized videos, and it works very, very simply like that. So that's pretty much the video research. But let's just go into this video research, and I can also here, let's say I type in iPhone, and we're going to do the 6s, okay, just for this example. So in the video research tool, I can also sort by relevance, sort by date, sort by rating, title, video count, and view count. Or I'll just leave it as and also I can also look for things like the duration. So if it's longer than 20 minutes, so I'm looking for a specific video, or between 4 and 20 minutes, or up to 4 minutes. And so this drop-down menu allows you to choose those. But for this purpose, I'm just going to use the default searches. And again, it's pulling all the found videos, all the monetized videos. It's analyzing all of these videos for me, and it's pulling up a huge amount of data. So you can see all the different videos here. I can click on next 50 videos, and it gives me the next 50 and the next 50, and it keeps going and going and going. And you can obviously see that the number of views, the number of likes, dislikes, comments, things like that. And again, you hit the export tool and you can export them. We can also add them to targeting groups. So let's say I want to set up a targeting group. So I want to perhaps save all of my monetized videos to a group. So I just click on create a group, I name it, and I call it iPhone 6s. And that is then the group. So they are all added into that iPhone 6s group was added, okay? And then I click on add to group. So iPhone 6s is here, and I click on add to group. So now they're all stored in my preferences, and I can come back and find them later on. So I can do all this research, and I can keep moving on and adding them to groups. So I close that off, and that's pretty much the video research tool for new video search. Let's say I go to a new related search, okay? So what you do here is, this is a really powerful tool. Let's say you're on YouTube and you find a video. I'll just pull this one up as an example for iPhone 6s. And let's say I I like that video and I want to find other videos that relate to that. If I click on search, what's happening here is it's now pulling all the videos that relate to that video from YouTube. So you can see the channel, what the channel name is, and you can also play the video. So I click on play the video, it'll load it up here and I can see it. Okay, so you can see it's a very effective research tool in finding a whole lot of different data, a lot of different videos that you can utilize for different research techniques. You can export all of these videos. You can also add them to your targeting groups, or you can start another search. Okay, so the reason why you want to perhaps look at these channels and why it's important is you can use this for the channel search tool, what I'll show you in a minute. So you can use this, let's say this channel. If I click on it, it'll take me to this channel. Okay, and then I can take this channel, I can do some research on that channel. So that's pretty much the keyword, the video research tool. You can also check into your search history as well. So if we click on your search history, and you can see all the videos that I have searched over time, and they're all stored here in my search history. Very, very powerful. Then let's go to the video keyword tool. Let's go to a new analysis. All right, and so let's say I'm doing research on iPhone, and I want to do a comparison on iPad. Okay, so I want to see, I've got a CPA offer for iPhone, I've got a CPA offer for iPad, and I want to see which one is going to be the most effective for me to do my marketing. So I go to my make analysis, and it just takes a little bit of time because what it's doing is effectively comparing both of these very, very big keywords on the keyword analysis tool, and it's coming back with all the information as to how many views it gets per month, what people are looking at. So it's just going to perform this process, but what it comes back with is a whole lot of different graphs showing you the different analysis between iPhone versus iPad, and then you'll know within a shadow of a doubt which niche has the most traffic or which has lower traffic or lower trending traffic. So it's a really, really very, very powerful research tool that allows you to get going very, very quickly. So whilst that performs now what you'll see here is it's completed its research, okay? And what it says here is the iPhone is 52%, the iPad is 48%. Okay, so this is the research that it's come back with. So the minimum views for iPad is 11, and there's no minimum views for iPhone. The maximum views, all right, so what we've got, the maximum views for iPhone is 440,000, and the iPad is 406. That's the max views. All right, average views, iPhone 25,000, iPad 46. So this might sway my decision. Total views, the iPhone is 440 and the iPad is 406. So last month there were 100 added for iPhone, 100 added for iPad, and so they're pretty much in the middle. Okay, so nothing really swaying me here, nothing really breaking my decision making here if I was going to go either way. But you can see the power of the research tool that it brings back this data. So it's a very, very powerful analysis tool that you can use. Okay, and you can also store your analysis history and go back and look at that. Now let's go to channel search. So let's click on the channel search and let's type a keyword in. Let's go for iPhone. Okay, and then we click search. What it does is it pulls back all the channels that relate to the keyword iPhone. And the real power here is you can actually grab the video link. So let's say we've got Apple. This is the official Apple YouTube link. Okay, or we've got Ty Moss. He's got 1,627 video links that relate to Apple. But what you can see here is the number of subscribers. So I'm probably going to want to download someone's videos who has a lot of subscribers and has a lot of comments, because that means that his viewers are highly active, and the chances are that Ty Moss might be using these as a tool to, he might be getting advertising on those videos. So you can see there's a lot of comments, there's a lot of subscribers, and there's a lot of views that are happening on his video. So I might want to click on his videos and get his video links, or I might want to just click on his channel and then go and have a look at his channel. If I click on the video links, it'll pull all 1,627 video links that relate to Ty Moss. And I can download all his links instantaneously, and I can use them for whatever purpose I want. So it could be YouTube advertising, could be for SEO, it could be for whatever it is. Okay. I can also export all the channel links, which is another powerful feature. So all of these results that have come through, I can start to export them and I can use them for later. And I can set up targeting channel groups like I did with the video search targeting group. So I can just create a group and name that group, add these people to this group, and then they're all added into my targeting groups, which you can see on the left-hand side here. So it's really, really powerful. You can also click on next 50, so it'll bring up the next 50 channels that relate to that keyword iPhone. So that pretty much is everything to do with the channel search. We've gone through the keyword research, and now we go into the targeting groups. And we have our video groups, and you can see that I've got my iPhone 6 here. That's my targeting group. Now I can delete that, or I can keep adding to it, and I can start looking at my channel groups and looking at my video groups. Okay, I haven't added a channel group in, but I can see that. So you can see this is a really powerful research tool that you have in your arsenal to find a huge amount of information that would take you hours and hours of manual time looking through YouTube, and this does it instantaneously. So it's a very powerful research tool that you can deploy and start doing really, really effective YouTube ads. You can do SEO with it. There's so many different ways that you can use this tool. It's very, very powerful. It's very exciting. So thanks for listening, and I will talk to you soon.